Hi everybody, this is the continue of chapter 9 with the string manipulation. This is our course of development with Visual Studio using the simple Excel sheets. Okay, let's start this. String manipulation is in the chapter you will see how to manipulate the strings like concatenate or split or do whatever you want, count it, everything. So let's start with this. We just have this button. This button is going to help us just to write the code. Here we are going to start with this code. This is the John string. This is very simple. So we are going to just declare the variables. The text 1 as a string, comma, text 2 as string. Okay, then we need to assign value. Text 1 equal to hi. Okay, and text 2 equal to team. And then we are going to use a message box to concatenate our two strings. So we are going to put text 1, then with this character, the ampersand, we are going to concatenate the two variables. Okay, text 2, but as you know is hi team, but we need a space between the both variables, so we are going to add a string here with a space, and then again the ampersand to concatenate the three different variables here. Okay, let's run this, just clicking the button here, and you can see the first variable hi, the space, and the second variable team. This is very simple. We are going to move to the next one, that is left function. We are going to create here another function that will be left example, and here we are going to declare a variable dim text as a string, and text is going to be equal to the next string between quotes example text. And in a message box we are going to use our function left. Okay, as you know, is the parameters that requires are the variable or the string. It will be text, comma, and the length that we want from that string. So we are going to put number 4 because we want just the first 4 letters. Okay, so this function is going to take us from the left part of the variable or the string, the first 4 letters. Okay, so we are going to press F5. As you know, we get those letters. Okay, this is very simple. We are going to continue with the next one, that this is the same but with right. Okay, so we are going to rename this right, and we are going to change this to right. Okay, the parameters are the same, so we are going to send to this function our text or string, and then the number of characters that we want. In this case, we are going to start with this function from this part to this one. Okay, so it's going to bring us the last 4 letters of the string. Okay, F5, and we get text. Let's move on. Okay, the next one, it will be myth. Let's do the same. Copy everything, and we are going to rename to myth. As you know, myth is like the substring, well, the abbreviation of middle. So we, in this part, we need to assign another parameter here, because we are going to specify start at number 4, but we need to bring how many letters we want starting from number 4. So we are going to put number 3, and let's run this. Okay, so as you know, we start in number 4 and we only get the 3 next letters. Okay, MPL. The next function, this len, is just to bring us the size of the string. Okay, we are going to rename this to len. And here we only need to send our variable text, because it's going to return us only the number of letters, the size of the string. Okay, so as you know, it's 12 is correct. The next one is int string. Okay, this is help us to find a position in a string. So in string. Okay, we're going to write here. So as you know, we need to send here as parameters first or text variable, this the string that we are going to send, and we need to find the substring. Like example, we are going to use am. So this is going to give us the position where am is in this string. Okay, so just press F5. As you know, it's in number 3 because am start here. Number 3. This is all for this part. We are going to move to separate string. We are not going to write all these variables. We are going to use just a few examples. So let's create a new function, separate strings. Okay, and we are going to create our variables in this part. So it will be the full name, as a string, comma, position as integer, I as integer. This is all we need for this example as variables. So let's continue with adding a loop. the loop will be for I equal to number 2. This is number 2 because we are going to start the loop in this row. We are not going to split this one, so we are going to just split these two. So we are going to specify to number 3. Next. Okay, here in our loop we are going to get first the full name, that is this cell. So we need to start in row number 2 and in the column number 1. So full name will be equal to cells first our row index, it will be I because it's our variable, comma, the column index will be 1 dot value. Okay, this is going to get this value in this variable, and then we need to find where is the comma in that strings. Okay, so comma position will be equal to in string. Okay, and we are going to send the variable full name, comma, and we need to specify what character we need to find in that string, so it will be the comma. Okay, next we need to get the different variables like the first name and last name in the different cells. Okay, so we are going to assign to cell in the row index I, comma 2 dot value, assign the mid full name, comma position plus 2. Okay, we are going to copy this one because it's almost the same. Just here we are going to use the -1. Okay, okay, we are going to